Ready to lose that belly fat and feel fantastic? Let's dive right in. First up, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water boosts your metabolism and helps you feel full. Next, cut out sugary drinks. Swap soda and juice for water or green tea. It's an easy way to slash those extra calories. Now let's talk about food. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Your belly will thank you. Don't forget about fiber. Foods high in fiber keep you feeling full longer, so you'll eat less. Here's a quick tip. Get moving. You don't need to run a marathon. Just a brisk 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. Lastly, sleep well. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, especially around your belly. So, drink water, cut sugary drinks, eat whole foods, get some fiber, move daily, and sleep well. Follow these simple hacks, and you'll be on your way to a flatter belly in no time. You've got this.